Do I hear a scooter or a motorbike in the background? Yes, that's definitely a motorcycle. Hey, what's up guys? This is me Shanthi and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, TheLeiaV. Since 2018 has already made its way, unlike some of us who have already made a lot of resolutions for 2018, there are also a huge percentage amongst us who have not made any resolution because we are actually clueless about what our resolution should be about. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top resolution ideas. So if you're watching me in this video for the first time, thank you for taking time out of your day to click on this video and watch this video. And please consider subscribing. All you have to just click on the subscribe button down here, and there will be a bell icon just next to it. Make sure that you click in it just so that you'll be updated whenever I have new video uploads and content going up on my channel. So let's get into it. The first one on my list is going to be really hard for me even if I were to attempt this, but I should give it a try probably, perhaps. So that is to try putting your phone down more often in 2018 because you know we are always on the phone, let's face it, and anytime I'm away from my phone for the longest period of time is when I'm asleep. So definitely try putting your phone down a little more often and try connecting with people with conversations around you instead of just texting back and forth. The second on my list is remembering our manners. Perhaps so because we are so caught up in our own lives, we tend to forget our manners in this current day and age. A simple please and thank you would probably go a long way for you, for your day, and make someone's day as well. The third on my list and something that I want to do more is to watch a lot more theatre plays at the theatres. I had a lot of fun catching up on Dharma Lane 2 when I had the opportunity. I feel like there is a lot more life to it than just watching a movie. So definitely go to the theatre to watch a lot more theatre plays would be a great idea for a resolution. The fourth on my list is something that I consciously want to follow, and this is just an idea that I'm proposing to you, so please do not hate me in the comment section down below, and that is to perhaps reduce buying material goods. In terms, I'm not talking about food, I'm specifically talking about clothing. Try giving yourself a grace period of time, perhaps about 6 months or so, and if you can actually make it through that 6 months or 4 months maybe without needing to buy a top or a bottom, then probably you would be able to understand that you have a closet full of a lot of things to wear rather than not having anything to wear. This is how I actually had transitioned into the minimalistic lifestyle because there was a period of time that I wasn't leaving my house. The fifth on my list is something that you can practically do it right now itself. Just dust a few cookbooks from your existing bookshelves and just go through and try a different recipe every week. This will not only broaden your skill set, it will also broaden your taste palettes and perhaps introduce a lot more food items into your diet. It's really easy. The sixth on the list is just to catch up on your reading. Try reading a lot more books than you did in year 2017, and one of the things that I've noticed that when I read a book before bedtime, I kind of snooze off better rather than if I'm fiddling with my iPhone. I feel like I take a longer time to just rest and relax before I snooze away, and perhaps this is why I feel like reading a book can actually help you relax nicely and then transition your whole body and soul into a very deep slumber. So make sure that you catch up on your reading. The seventh on the list is pretty much linked to the former idea of trying a new diet every day. That is choosing to cook something or try something new every day. You can incorporate a fruit or a vegetable that on an ordinary day you would not want to have putting it into your mouth. Perhaps you don't like cauliflower, and for some reason, why don't you just give it a try and see whether you still not like cauliflower or not. Just try something new. It's a very loose idea, but it really helps you to explore yourself. It will just help you see things around you a little different. The seventh on the list is something that I would probably fail at the very most one day of trying, that is to ditch my favorite drink at my coffee joint. Besides the fact that I do bring my drink from home, it's just that the current few weeks have been so rainy. I'm not able to stay home and work, and that's one of the reasons why I feel like I needed to take my work away from home. And then I feel a lot more livelier stepping outside because of the மந்த நிலை. எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் மழை பெய்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கிறதுனால வீட்டில் இருக்கும்போது எனக்கு முக்கால்வாசி நேரம் எனக்கு தூக்கமாக தான் இருக்குது. அதனால தான் வந்து என்னோட வேலை சம்மந்தப்பட்ட வேலைகளை வந்து நான் வீட்டுக்கு வெளியே கொண்டு போகிறது. ஆனால் எங்கே போனாலும் wherever I am, if I'm at Costa Coffee, Starbucks or Coffee Bean, I don't feel like it's right for me to just hog a space at their coffee joint without buying a drink from them. So probably this habit of mine might change when the warmer months are coming by. I don't know, it just puts me in a very semi-hibernating phase because I feel sleepy, I feel lazy, I have no mood to work. And you know, if you're someone from Singapore and you're experiencing the rainy weather, you probably feel the same way, and don't tell me that you don't feel the same way as I do. The 8th on my list is something that is very much closer to the end of 2018 that excites me a lot. That is baking for Christmas. And you guys have already been following me. If you're newly watching me in this video again for the first time, I have introduced a Vlogmas for last year 2017, and there are a few recipes that I've incorporated into my 25 days of Christmas. So make sure that you bookmark, favorite those videos just so that you can follow those recipes and just feel smug about it that you don't have to go about ordering online and catering for those online cookies, bakes. You can actually make it from the comfort of your own home. And I'll be happy to know that you did some of this from watching my festive recipes for Christmas last year. I'm not sure where I am at right now. It's either idea number 8 or 9, and that is trying to eat a lot more fish, especially if you're someone who's very fond of eating chicken or mutton. And I also read somewhere on an article online that actually consuming a lot more fish can help your child have a better amount of sleep and improve their IQs by a considerable amount of difference. And we also know that fish contains a lot more omega-3 fatty acids that's linked to reduce the amount of heart diseases. The last 2 ideas on my list are practically linked to health, because I feel like if you don't have good health, you're not going to be able to be motivated and be inspired and reach your goals. That is to go to sleep early. Try not to keep yourself awake past 11 p.m. because I read somewhere again that poor sleep is linked to diabetes, and if you already have a family rich history of family members having diabetes, don't increase it any further by implementing a sleep pattern that gets you so little amount of sleep, and it also gives you a lot more fatigue during the day and you're not able to concentrate. So go to sleep early. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, and if you feel like someone else might benefit from watching and hearing my resolution ideas, don't forget to share this video on WhatsApp and Facebook. And I would love for you to subscribe to my channel because I have new video uploads coming up for you every Tuesdays and Fridays. I have new video uploads going up on my channel, and I will see you in my next week's video. Bye guys!